Buongiorno. We are looking at how to pronounce with a typical Italian pronunciation so correctly this word from Italian meaning oven. Oven as in cooked in the oven. So that's generally what it's associated with in Italian cuisine. Anything that is cooked in the oven. How do you say it? In Italian, this is said as forno. Forno. Pretty straightforward. Once you know, forno, as in al forno. But you could say it in English as forno. Forno. But if you can pronounce it in Italian, forno. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more Italian cuisine names, food names from Italy, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Grazie mille. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.